Hello dear students. In this video you will learn half shapes of Urdu alphabets and you are going to learn which alphabets have half shapes and which ones don't have. Why half shapes or short forms are important to learn because we make or write a word by joining half shapes together. So let's get started. The first two alphabets are Alif and Alif Mada. And Alif and Alif Mada don't have half shapes. So we will skip the alphabets that don't have half shapes. We will only write the alphabets which have half shapes. Family of Bay has half shape. All the letters in family of Bay they have half shape. This is full shape of Bay, and now I'm going to write the short form. This is basically the same like the full form. It is just shorter one than the full form. One dot underneath. Then after Bay, there comes Pay. This is full form. Three dots underneath. And the short form you will start writing in the same way and then you will leave it up till here. And don't forget to put dots because we recognize any alphabet with their dots. The next one is Te. In the same way, you will write Te, two dots on top, short form in the same way. Next is Te. Te has this topi on top. You have already learned that how to write full shapes. And this is the short form of Te up till here and then again topi on top. Now the last letter of family of Bay is Se. So all the short forms of family of Bay will be written in the same way. These are not difficult. Say. Our next family is family of Jeem. Now family of Jeem has also half shapes or short forms. Full shapes we will write like this. And then short form you will start in the same way like you have started the full form. You will start in the same way and then you will leave it up till here. You are not going to make this semicircle of this short form. Then dot of Jeem. The next letter of family of Jeem is J. It has three dots inside. Again, from downward to upward, then to right side, and then again to left side, and then you will leave it up till here, and then you will put three dots underneath. This is J. How you will recognize this J with this say, or you can say with pay, because pay has also three dots underneath. But look, short forms of pay is different than the short form of J. I mean, this shape will tell you that this is the short form of J, and this has three dots underneath. Next is Hey, and short form you will write like this. Hey is empty, it doesn't have any dot. The last letter of this family is Khe. Khe, one dot on top, and then short form in the same way and one dot on top. After this next family comes family of Dal and then family of Re. So both of these families, family of Dal and family of Re, they don't have short forms. So we are skipping these two families. And after this, our pairs are started. First pair is Seen and Sheen. Seen and Sheen, they have short forms. Full form you write like this. 1, 2, and 3 shoshas are made. And then you make this semicircle and then short form you will write up till here. Look, 1, 2, and 3, and then a small line to the left side, and then you will leave it up till here. This is the short form of Seen with three shoshas. Now the next letter of this pair is Sheen. Full form you will write like this, three dots on top, and short form up till here, three dots on top. Next comes Swad and Zwad. How you write Swad full shape? From downward to upward, and then you make the shape of an eye, then a little bit to move it to the left side, and then you make semicircle. This is full form, and then short form is up till here. Look, okay. This is short form of swad, and then short form of first full form of zwad, and then short form of zwad up till here. Next pair is Toy and Zoe. Toy and Zoe, these two letters don't have short form, so we will skip these. Toy Zoe, and then next comes Ein Ghain. Ein full form is written like this, and look how to write short form. You will make this shape, and then you will turn it a little bit towards left side, and then you will leave it. Ghain. Ghain has one dot on top, and short form you will write like this, one dot on top. Ein Ghain. Next is Fe and Kaf. Full form, one dot on top, and then short form you will make this circle from downward to upward, and then up till here. This is a short form of Fe. Kaf. In the same way you will start, and then you will make this semicircle, two dots on top, and the a short form of calf will be written again like this. It is similar with Fe, but Fe has one dot on top and calf has two dots on top. So these dots will differentiate these letters with each other. Next is calf and gaf. This calf, this line is a bit bigger than this one, and then you will make one kash. And short form of kaf and gaf, with all the letters, if it is followed by any letter like except alif and lam, then short forms will be written like this. But if kaf, this kaf is followed by alif and lam, like after this kaf you are going to join alif or lam, then short form of kaf is usually written like this. Mean you make this circle, and then on top of this circle you make this kash. Mean this short form is only used with alif and lam. In the same way, the next letter is gaf. It has two kash on top, and the same rule will be applied for this letter also. Short form of gaf is this one, and if gaf is followed by alif or lam, then you will make this shape, two kash on top. Next is lam. Lam, full form you will write like this, and then short form is similar with this. It is just shorter than the bigger form. Then meme, this circle, then left side, and then downward. This is full form. And then in short form, sometimes this circle is made downwards. Sometimes, like when we use short form, then this circle we made downward, like we start from upward to downward, then we turn it on the upper side, and then we leave it up till here. So this is meme, short form of meme. Next letter is noon. Full form, and then short form, like you write the short form of bay, any letter of family of bay, but it has one dot on top. This is short form of noon. After this there comes wow, but wow doesn't have short form, so we will skip wow. And our next letter is hey. Okay, so this hey, this is round hey or goal hey, we say. This is called a bit tricky here. Why? Because it has three different short forms. When this hey comes as the first letter of any word, the half shape is written like this, and it has a hook shape underneath like this. This is first short form when this hey comes as the first letter. And when this hey comes as the middle letter, like between any word, then the short form of this hey will be like this. Look, in slash form, and then at bottom it is like pointed shape like this. and then over here again you can put this hook shape. So this is the short form of this hey when it comes between the word. And now the last short form of this hey when this comes as the last letter of any word. And again this is a bit, you can say, tricky because we just only turn it downward like this. Can you see this line that is turning downward? Basically, this is the short form of this here. When we will write the words with these letters, then you will come to know that how these half shapes will be used in the word. In upcoming videos, inshallah, you will see the words where we will learn how to make words by joining these letters or short forms together. So, last two letters are छोटी and बड़ी. This is chotiye, short form of chotiye. And chotiye and badiye, both short form is same. In this way, and then two dots underneath. Short form of chotiye, and then the last alphabet is badiye. And badiye also has the same short form like chotiye. So both of these short forms are same. Okay, dear students, this is for now, and in our upcoming videos, you will learn how to use these short forms or half shapes to make words. Allah Hafiz, bye.